Hey, 7th graders, new chapter. First lesson is going to be the nervous system. So we're starting a chapter on controlling body processes. Our My Planet Diaries fun facts. Excuse me. It's called Wake Up. Did you ever wake from a nap only to find that your arm is asleep? What causes this pins and needles sensation? If you lie on your arm for a long period of time, too much pressure is placed on the nerves. The communication between your arm and brain no longer flows smoothly. A decrease in normal signals makes your arm feel odd. The pins and needles feeling actually happens when you remove the pressure from the nerves. They begin to send a normal flow of messages from your arm to your brain again. You slowly gain a normal feeling in your arm. Remember to change your position often when you sit or lie down. If you don't, you'll end up having to wake up your arms and legs. So I don't know about you, that definitely happens to me a lot. 3 key questions today. What is the role of the nervous system? How do the parts of your nervous system work? And what do your senses do? So, move my little bubble here. Your nervous system receives information about what is happening both inside and outside your body. It directs how your body responds to this information. In addition, your nervous system helps maintain homeostasis. So neurons are a cell that carries information through the nervous system. Nerve impulse is the message carried by a neuron, and neurons carry nerve impulses through the body. A nerve is a bundle of nerve fibers. So there's three different kinds of neurons. A sensory neuron, which picks up a stimulus and converts it into a nerve impulse. The impulse travels along sensory neurons until it reaches an inner neuron, usually in the brain or spinal cord. An interneuron carries a carries a nerve impulse to another interneuron or to a motor neuron. A motor neuron sends an impulse to a muscle or gland, enabling it to respond. Synapse is the junction where one neuron can transfer an impulse to the next structure. A central nervous system is a division of the nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. And then we have peripheral nervous system, the division of the nervous system consisting of all of the nerves located outside the central nervous system. The brain is the control center of the central nervous system. The spinal cord is a thick column of nervous tissue that links the brain to the peripheral nervous system. So brain is the control center, spinal cord links the brain to the peripheral nerves, and the peripheral nerves send and receive impulses. And you have the somatic and autonomic systems. The somatic controls voluntary actions, like using a fork, and the autonomic controls involuntary actions, such as digesting food. A reflex is an automatic response that occurs rapidly and without conscious control. Your eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and skin are specialized sense organs that enable you to get information from the outside world. So your eyes, you have a cornea, iris, pupil, lens, and retina. Taste and smell, they work together and depend on the chemicals in air and food, which trigger receptors in the nose and mouth. Ears, you have 3 major parts, the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the ear canal, the middle, the eardrum, hammer, anvil, and stirrup, and the inner ear, the auditory nerve, and cochlea. And then our final sense is touch. It's not found in one place. It's found in all areas of your skin, and you have different kinds of touch receptors. So our vocab, neurons, a cell that carries information through the nervous system. Nerve impulse, the message carried by a neuron. Nerve, a bundle of nerve fibers. Synapse, the junction where one neuron can transfer an impulse to the next structure. Central nervous system, the division of the nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, the division of the nervous system consisting of all of the nerves located outside the central nervous system. And reflex, an automatic response that occurs rapidly and without conscious control. So, please complete the Edmodo questions for lesson 1. If you have questions or are confused about something, let me know and have a wonderful day.